This is going to be a real quick video. Object Trader has been updated. This is May 15th, 2023. This is a Monday, and it's Monday basically starting in the afternoon. You'll want to go ahead and download and import this particular script because I believe that we've taken care of some issues in Object Trader that will make it run a lot smoother for you. No problems with stops, things like that. Okay, so basically what you're going to want to do, you want to go to the website and go to your login, simply go to login. And under your login, you're going to have download latest scripts. Okay, so just simply click on that. See these 5 modules right here? Just click on the download latest scripts. It says download latest Object Trader scripts for NT8 and NT7. And once this is up, you're going to want to simply download this file right here. So all you got to do is click on it and download it. Now I've already done that, so that's in my download folder. You could even download it to your desktop. I usually do that myself because I like to keep these files on my desktop. So just click it and it'll download it. And then we need to go into NinjaTrader. And what we're going to do in NinjaTrader is we're going to go to Tools. Just go to your control center, go to Tools, and remove NinjaScript Assembly. Now it's very important that we remove old NinjaScript Assembly so we don't have anything lagging or causing any problems or issues. So simply go to Tools, remove NinjaScript, and you're going to see 3 files that you're going to need to remove. And I believe it's highly important to go ahead and remove all 3 of them every time. Simply remove the Xseed WPF.toolkit. Remove any old Object Trader scripts. They will always start with O for Object Trader or OT for Object Trader. So, you know, Object Trader Max P&L, anything that's older, remove it. So simply, I've just got 1 script on it, so I'm going to remove OTBoss4, and you want to remove the Object Power Trader.controls. So once you left click these, this highlights these. See how they're not highlighted now? You left click them. It highlights them, and then you simply click remove. Once you click yes, it'll remove those scripts. It just takes a moment. All right, and you'll notice that my window's empty. Now, if you've got other vendors, you're going to have some other scripts in here, but I don't. Okay, so mine's clean right here. Now, what I need to do after this is just simply close this window, go to Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on. Okay, let me go through that again. Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on. Now I've got OTBoss4 as you can see right here on my desktop. Okay, notice that mine comes up to my desktop. Yours may be in your download folder. Just choose which one it's in. So then once you see the OTBoss4 dated 5/15/2023, this is the latest scripts. Just simply double click it. It'll import it into NinjaTrader. Takes a moment. NinjaTrader successfully imported all scripts. Simply close NinjaTrader down and restart NinjaTrader, and you're back in business. You have the newest script, which is OTBoss4. Please let me know if there are any issues. We're diligently trying to get every single thing on Object Trader, but there's just millions of combinations that you could possibly run into. And so just let me know. And always, you know, you could even send me a copy of your log if you need to, or just give me a call on the phone. We can do a team viewer because I'm more than happy to help. I have the latest Object Trader scripts on my computer. I trade it with my PA accounts, my personal account and everything. And there's been no issues as of yet. So basically, we're looking for this to be hopefully OTBoss4 being the last thing that goes out for a while. So give it a shot. Let me know what you run into, if you run into anything at all. Thank you very much for being with Viper, and we'll see you in the room and in the webinars. Bye.